everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys through a quick makeup hack. So a lot of you guys have this question as to how to make sure that your makeup lasts long, and also how to ensure that your skin is prepped well, and how to get that perfect makeup look when everything looks well blended and everything sits perfectly well and everything stays intact. And the answer to that is the makeup setting spray. So we have the NYX Makeup Professional Makeup Setting Spray here. So I'm going to be reviewing these products today, and I'm going to show you guys the demo. NYX Professional Makeup is a brand that needs no introduction. All of us have used their products, especially the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. So these were one of those products which were on rage, and all of us have used these products, and these are and this is one of my favorite product along with the makeup setting spray. They have a huge range of products starting from the base products to eyeshadows to lip products and brow products and even makeup setting spray. So whether you have like oily skin or dry skin, makeup setting spray can fix everything. It'll make sure that it's sweat proof. It'll make sure that your makeup lasts really long, and firstly it'll make sure that everything looks well sit in place, because once you blend your makeup and put on everything, this is the final step that will make sure that everything sits in place. I'll also tell you guys few other uses as to how I like using my NYX makeup setting spray. We have two of them here. So this is the matte finish and this is the dewy finish. So whether you want like a dewy finish or matte finish, and depending on the skin type that you have, you can actually pick one. So I'll just read the claims here. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Setting Spray, and it is supposed to be long lasting, and this is a light water based setting spray that keeps your makeup looking matte and amazing. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I personally love the dewy finish one for regular use because I like to have that glow, and when I feel like my skin is a little too oily and I feel like I want it to last a little long and have that matte look, then I prefer the matte finish one. So both of them have great use. All you have to do is spritz a little bit of this once you're done with your makeup, and you're good to go for the rest of the day. You don't have to worry about your makeup. So as we all know, NYX is a vegan brand. It has a vegan formula and it's cruelty free as well. So I'll be showing you guys a swatch test. So I have the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is the colorful eyeshadow palette. This was the one that I was wearing in one of my recent reels. So it's a beautiful palette with a lot of amazing colors. So I'm just gonna dab a few on my wrist here. Yeah, I've taken some here on my wrist. Let's swatch the lipstick, the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So this is the shade Budapest, and I'm gonna swatch it right next to the eyeshadows, and I'm gonna do the same on this hand as well. I'm just gonna spritz the matte finish one on my hand. You just need 3-4 spritzes and it'll actually set your makeup. So it's still a little wet, so in the meantime I'll just set my face. I have done my makeup, but I haven't used the setting spray, which I usually use as the last step, and even in the beginning sometimes I use it as a primer or like to prep my face, or I use it even on the blender. So I'm taking the matte finish spray and putting it a couple of inches away. You can like put it 6 inches away and then spritz. It feels so refreshing. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry. So here you go, my makeup is locked and I'm good to go for the rest of the day. So I usually like to spritz a little on my face before getting started with the makeup as well, especially the dewy finish one. I like to spritz it on my face and then get started with the base makeup, and also you can spritz it on your makeup brush or your blender so that it ensures that it blends really well, especially your foundation. And if you have any dry patches as such anywhere on your face, and usually the foundation tends to stick to that and enhance that area, but when you use a setting spray on the blender along with your foundation and and blend it. It actually blends really well, and it gives that uniform nice blended finish, and at the end again you can spritz it. So those are some of the hacks that I generally use. Even after you apply your blush and a highlighter, after you finish all the products, when you spritz it, it'll make sure that your highlighter also doesn't budge. You can see that shine here. So even this has dried. So let me just quickly show you guys. So I'll use this finger because it's completely. So whether you're a beginner or whether you're really into makeup, it's a must-have in your makeup kit. Of course, if you have like dry skin, I would suggest getting the dewy finish one. It'll add that really nice glow. And I have like combination skin, but I really like a dewy finish, so I prefer this usually. But when I want to go for a matte finish, of course I go with this. But yeah, if you have like oily skin, then this is perfect for you. So you can take your pick, and it's quite an affordable setting spray. So it is priced at 875 rupees. So yeah, here you go, the perfect addition to your makeup kit, which will make sure that your makeup lasts really long and your makeup is all set and looks absolutely blended and perfect. So that was all about NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray. So I hope this review was useful. If you guys know any other hacks which I missed out, then do let me know in the comments below. And it retails only on Nykaa in India. You can get your hands on it from Nykaa. So this is right away after I've set my face, and I'm gonna do check-ins to show you guys how it looks after a couple of hours, so that you can see how it actually sits well, and yeah, so that you don't have to touch up and you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I'll be back. It's been a couple of hours. I've shot a couple of videos, and I also had my dinner. And yeah, you can see that the makeup's still intact. It's been about 3-4 hours now. Been shooting non-stop. I've been doing some other chores. Been running around. So once you spritz it, actually it feels really comfortable. So even when you saw whether you use the dewy finish one or the matte one, it feels really comfortable on the skin. It feels really refreshing. So that is how you can ensure that your makeup lasts really long, and so that you don't have to do all those touch-ups during the day. And before you go, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I have a lot of fun hauls and beauty videos and a lot of lifestyle videos coming up. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and you can subscribe to my other channel as well. I have a lot of vlogs coming up on that channel, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle right here. You can see quick hauls and reels there too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.